For this rhythm, we've taken the song Hotel California and we've sort of assessed or evaluated what they're doing on the bass guitar. So here we go. Okay, now slow motion, there's the B. The opening chord for Hotel California is B minor. He doubles up on the root, onto the fifth, onto the octave. Now the reason why we call this the fifth, okay, there's the bass note or your first note. There's your, what we call the fifth. And the reason why we call this the fifth note, the pinky, is because if you played the B major scale and you went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your first note's there, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth note's there, first and fifth. So the numbers we give to the notes are with respect to their position in the major scale, even if the chord is a minor. Okay, we're not going to go too much into chord theory right now, but what I do want you to know is you can always add the fifth note. So whatever riff you're doing, oh, this fifth always cooks. Okay, back to exercise number 5, and again, here's your B, and then on the offbeat, you're going to have and 1 and 2. So slow motion with counting 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Notice how the pinky's working over there. So again, I'll try and get the other fingers out the way. Because they're very small but very powerful movements. Get your pinky strong. Okay, now next up, you're going to go to an F sharp, which we're going to play really high up. Normally we play quite low. We're going to go all the way to fret 9. That's F sharp. Learn the notes, names, and we're going to do a very similar concept, fifth octave, but the second part now is slightly different. Okay, it's got 4 notes. Instead of going, it goes, bringing you back to the root. So the second chord, the F sharp, which will be bars 3 and 4, is going to go like this: 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. There we go. So if you put them together, slow motion, here we have the basic one: 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Offbeat, 3 and 4 and. Now what sounds quite cool as well, which is not on the tab, instead of jumping from the B straight to the F sharp, maybe put a little leading note. So you go to fret number 7 and you slide into 9. So you get this: 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just gives a bit of extra to it. Now if you got the chords for Hotel California, you'll notice that that next one's A. Then you go to E. Now the original bass line is really close to this, but there are 1 or 2 subtle changes. I'm not here to teach you the whole bass line of Hotel California, but to show you what's actually happening, the basic concept of how he built the bass line, which is root, 5th, octave, root, 5th, octave, and also to learn those off beats. So one more time with me before we sign off in this video: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And make sure you got this quiet pauses in between your silence, or the rests, the correct musical term, rest for silence. Very important for this. Okay, we'll see you in the next video for exercise 6.